I'm here today to tell you about the latest and greatest partnership to announce here at NTEA. Really pleased to let customers know that we have announced our formal partnership with RAM, bringing RAM Telematics to RAM commercial fleet customers. It's an exciting day for us, as this has been a long time question our customers have asked about how can I get telematics and connected services on my RAM trucks. Well, I'm pleased to let customers know that day has arrived. Today's the day when you can, as a customer for RAM, walk into a dealership and order your RAM truck as a factory fit option with RAM Telematics, bringing you today the best-in-class services along with RAM data so that when you take delivery of your vehicle, it's ready to go to work. You as a customer can walk into any RAM dealer, check the box, order RAM Telematics, and away you go. There's no activation required, there's no splicing and dicing of wires, it's warranted with the truck, and accompanied with the data is the best-in-class software services that Verizon Connect provides these commercial customers. It's a best-in-class solution that provides very robust, rich data, and our partnership with RAM, working with their engineering and their marketing team to bring the solution to the market, is really a game changer for RAM commercial customers. They've got an opportunity to be able to manage and measure their fleet vehicles like never before with the RAM Telematics product. It's an exciting day for us. We hope the Verizon connected family of customers will embrace this, and our RAM commercial customers will become part of the RAM Telematics family.